How to log Google Chrome profile with passcode. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can log our Google Chrome profile. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first is open up your browser. After that, you just need to simply tap on the three dot, and there you need to tap on extensions and go to visit Chrome Web Store. Just tap on visit Chrome Web Store and wait for it to be loaded. After it is loaded, you just need to simply go to extensions and search for locked Chrome. Just search for locked Chrome and hit enter. After that, you may just choose any of the locker, but I'm going to choose the first one, set password for your browser. I'm just going to choose that one. And here you just need to add it to Chrome as an extension. Just tap on add to Chrome and wait for the extension to be downloaded. Just tap on add extension and wait for it to be downloaded. After that, you just need to simply add the extension. And after that, a box appears on your screen. You just need to set a passcode and tap on OK. After that, a moment, you need to enter passcode whenever you need to open your Chrome browser. So therefore, by following this method, you can set passcode on your Chrome browser profile. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.